In this video, I'll show you how to add info cards to your YouTube videos to boost engagement. Info cards are a fantastic way to provide relevant external information, such as linking to a related video on your channel or directing viewers to your website. Follow along as I guide you step by step through adding these interactive elements to enhance your viewers' experience and keep them engaged with your content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Once you've decided on the video you want to place a card into, you will find a menu on the side of the video that opens up with links to details, analytics, comments, view on YouTube, and options. Click on the details link, which will bring you to the next page. You will find yourself on the video detail page. Further down the page on the right side, you will find the card link. Once you find the card link, click on it and it will bring you to this page. You will then be on the card page. You will find the heading video. Under that, you will boxes with 3 options. The first one will be the video, next will be a custom message, optional, and finally the teaser text, optional. You will link to another video that you've made. When you go lower, you will see your video where you can move the slide guide to when you would like to place it in an appropriate position. You can also go next to the video button to enter the exact time on the time dial. The first round of zeros is the minute while the second series of zeros are the seconds going from the right to the left. If you decide on the video part, you will be sent to another page where you will find a list of your videos. You will be sent back to your previous page when you pick a video. Once you have picked your video, press the saved button on the top right. You will then play your video to the location you entered for your card and see it appear on the top of the right side of your video to make sure that it worked. Great, your card is saved. Please check my links below and don't forget to subscribe.